You won't believe how cheap some of these old cars still are. We're talking real steel classics, forgotten in barns and driveways, starting at just 800 bucks. From a rough C3 Corvette to a 50s Ford truck and a Plymouth that could be your next lead sled, these are real-world project cars you can actually buy right now. 1. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette. Now here's a C3 Corvette that's seen better days, but is still one of the cheapest ways to get into a real V8 era vet project. This 1977 model's been sitting for decades. The seller says it hasn't run in 40 years. It's got the engine and transmission still in place, but you'll need to go through everything from fuel to brakes before it ever fires up again. The frame is surprisingly solid though, and that clean Texas, you won't believe how cheap some of these old cars still are. We're talking real steel classics, forgotten in barns and driveways, starting at just 800 bucks. From a rough C3 Corvette to a 50s Ford truck and a Plymouth that could be your next lead sled, these are real-world project cars you can actually buy right now. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro. This Camaro's in mid-restoration, or mid-part-out depending on how you look at it. The seller's disassembling the whole car, but everything mechanical still works. It's got an inline-six paired with a TH350 automatic, and the drivetrain runs even if it's only been driven half a mile recently. Brakes are functional, suspension's all complete, and nothing's leaking. Not bad for something that's mostly in boxes right now. If you've ever wanted a piece of Camaro back together your way, this is your chance. Number 3. 1971 Dodge Charger, listed as a 71 Coronet, but it's rocking all the Charger DNA under the skin. It's got a 318 V8 and 727 automatic, though there's no key or title included. The seller says it's 100% complete and solid underneath, though the gas tank is rusted and the fenders are starting to bubble. Hood's off the car due to seized hinges, but for $1.50, this Mopar could be the start of something big if you've got the patience. Number 4. 1962 Chevrolet Corvair Convertible. This little Corvair comes with a clean title and nearly everything still intact. The flat-six engine runs, and it's only missing a few trim pieces like the side mirror and rear chrome cover. The convertible top frame works fine, though the floors have been cut out for repair. It's not pretty, but with red-on-red colors and all that classic 60s style, it's a small investment for a cool summer cruiser project. Number 5. 1971 Ford F250. If trucks are more your speed, this old F250 might be the kind of challenge you're looking for. The seller says it runs on starting fluid, which means it's alive, but just barely. It's got a 390 under the hood, a few small rust spots in the bed and floor, and no title, just a bill of sale. It's rough but restorable, and for 800 bucks, you could bring this workhorse back to life or turn it into a shop truck.
Number 6. 1959 Rambler American. This little Rambler might not look like much now, but it's a solid starting point for a rare compact project. The body's surprisingly straight, and even though it's missing the rear window and air cleaner, most of the car is still there. It's sold on a bill of sale, and for $1,000 you're getting a 1950s car that could easily become a unique weekend cruiser. These old Ramblers have a charm all their own. Quirky styling, simple mechanics, and small enough to fit in any garage. Number 7. 1955 Ford Fairlane project. Here's a 55 Ford that's begging for someone to bring it back. The seller says it's not running, has no key, and comes with no title, but the metal looks solid and the body's complete. It's the kind of project that'll test your patience, but reward you with that timeless mid-50s two-tone style once finished. Great bones, decent chrome, and all the right curves. For just over $1,000, this could be the start of a full-on garage revival. Number 8. 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe. This Plymouth has that classic post-war shape. Tall fenders, wide grille, and a stance that just screams 1950s Americana. It doesn't run and there's no title, but the seller says it comes with plenty of good parts and a clean bill of sale. Black on black, it's got the bones of a cool old cruiser. With some time, it could become one of those mean, low-slung lead sleds you see at small-town car shows. Number 9. 1953 Ford F500. You don't see many heavy-duty Fords like this anymore. The F500 is the big brother of the F100. Larger frame, bigger load capacity, and a ton of vintage charm. This one's not running, but the seller does have a clean title in hand. The cab looks complete, and it could make a great base for a custom hauler or flatbed build. For $1,500, it's a lot of old iron for not much money. Number 10. 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe. Closing out this list is a classic Chevy that's surprisingly complete for under $1,000. The seller says it runs, all the glass is good, and the body's ready for paint. It even comes with most of the parts you'll need to finish the restoration. This is one of those rare under $1,000 cars that's actually worth saving. The perfect mix of nostalgia and affordability. You could fix it up or just preserve it as a survivor with its original patina intact. And that's the full list. 10 affordable classics you can still rescue for under $1,500. Some need everything. Others just need someone willing to turn a wrench. If you enjoy these real project finds, hit that like button and check out our next video. We've got even more hidden gems waiting for a second chance on the road.